Now, once you've used an AED unit, you need to get that unit back to working with all the right equipment with it. Now, it's quite common where you've got an AED unit, but you won't have spare pads with it, you won't have batteries on it, so you're going to need to put it out of commission for a while. So if you've got your AED unit on the circuit database, you can go online and say that your unit is not currently available, and you can get spares in for it. You can get spares fairly quickly for most brands. Contact us if you need any spares or batteries for any of your AED units, and we can sort that for you. But there's a few things you need to do. Is first off, look at the unit itself. Make sure there's nothing on there that's been damaged physically within the unit. You can still get the battery, it should still be working fine. Just check it's functioning, check it's all okay, but you need to remove the pads. So you're going to need to pull the plug out, get the old pads, and those pads are just thrown away. So once you've used them, you just throw those pads away and you need to get a new set of pads for the AED unit. Make sure you get the right set of pads for yours. So look at what the manufacturer is, what the brand and what the model number you have. So you don't want to be getting pads that aren't compatible because, there's the plugs on the end. These, you do need to make sure they fit. This, for example, is the iPad plug, but it won't go into our other units. So you need to make sure you get new pads on them, get a new battery as well, because you want to maximize it. When you need it, you need the battery to have a life in it. If you've only got the pads, you've still got a battery, it's got some power in, you can still use it. It's not that you can't, but recommend after every single use is buy another battery. So when you go to use this for a second time, you've got the maximum amount of power and you've got a brand new set of pads as well. The other thing often people forget is things like the AED prep kit. The AED prep kit's got the razor and the gloves and things like that in it. You need to change that because all those components inside that, if you've used it, are have all been thrown away. So you're going to need to order a battery, prep kit, and the pads after you've actually used the AED unit. Other things you may need to do would be to download the data from it. Depending on which brand you have will depend whether it's going to be through Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or USB stick or SD card. There's different versions, have different ways of taking the data off. But get the data off as soon as possible because you want to remove it because there's only so much data can be held on it. So if you do have restocked it and put new batteries in and it's used again, then there's a potential for data to be deleted. So if you do need to pull data off, you can do. There's always going to be enough life in that battery to take the data off of the unit. And then once the unit is done, you've got the new pads, check them, log it on the circuit that you put a new battery and you put new pads on because there's an update there. Re-put it back into service on the circuit if you've got yours on the community database. Check it one more time, turn the unit on, check it's functioning okay, and then turn it off, seal it up, put it back where it's been. Now, if you have had to take it out of service, for example, our unit is in the cabinet on the outside of the building. While it's out of service, yes, you've removed it from the 909 network, but put a big sign on it to say that it's not commissioned at the minute, so that anyone looking at it will see that that unit is not ready. And that will help not waste time looking for an AED unit that's not actually there.